What's up, guys? Welcome to a very cold -21 Freaktography Abandoned Time Capsule House adventure. That was a mouthful. Here we are, guys. Abandoned Time Capsule House. I'm with my friend MotleyKiwi. He's upstairs taking pictures. We are far away from home and our first stop of the day of a number of time capsule houses. So you guys are going to love this one. So guys, let's do it. Cue the music, cue the intro. See you guys on the other side. Okay, guys, here we're going to get started here. So it's so cold. I hope that my gear is going to last and my batteries are not going to end up dying on us because it is so cold today, guys. Like I said in the intro, -21 in this abandoned time capsule house in Northern Ontario. Lots to see. Small little cabin, but it's full of stuff, full of treasures and furniture and interesting stuff. I am going to try and keep this one short, only because it is just so cold, guys. So we're going to move quick. We're going to move through, check this place out as best as we can. All right. As you can see, the windows are completely frosted over. Here, I'll just tap here so you can see. There you go. Windows are completely frosty, so you can't see nothing in or out. You got some pretty interesting stuff back here. You got some snowshoes and you got some games, stuff like that. Oh man. We got the Lord's Prayer here on the wall. Okay, I'm not going to read it. You guys know it. Look at the frost on the door coming through from the outside. Look at that. That's how cold it is, guys. Oh man. Okay, let's head on through here. Got a mirror, say a good what's up, guys. Heading in this way into the, looks like the kitchen. Oh man. It is cold in here. We got some tea. We got some garbage bags and coffee. Pots and pans on the wall still. No power. We got a pair of binoculars here. You can't see out the window to see anything. We got some frozen dish detergent. What's in the cupboards? Let's see what we got in the cupboards here, guys. Oh, we got some dishware. We got all kinds of stuff in the cupboard here. All right. Maybe we have some food over on this one, maybe. My hands are so cold. We have oatmeal and we have coffee. Hot chocolate. This old radio here on top of the stove. Pretty cool, eh? And there's a bunch of coats hanging on the wall. Anyway, look in here, there's a bunch of bullets. Shotgun shells and stuff. Long rifle bullets. I wonder if there's any guns in here. Hope not. That wouldn't be good, guys. Anyway, so you got some bullets in there. And this here is, what we got in here? Linens and stuff. Okay. There you go. Oh man. Look at all these boots. Lantern. All right. And then I think this just goes back. There's a bathroom there. That's the outside. The basement is completely dark, and there's nothing interesting to see in the basement. Head upstairs where Mr. Kiwi's up here taking some pictures up the stairs here. There's MotleyKiwi. It's freezing, eh, Kiwi?
Yeah.
Holy cow. It's pretty cool up here. We got 4 bedrooms. They've all got a bed. There you go. And got a dresser here with a book. That's the book. 110,000 garden questions. What's up, guys? Freezing. We got in here anything? Oh, it's heavy. Oh, it's got more linens in there. Pillows and stuff. I didn't bring a light up here. I think I need it. Another bedroom. Doesn't look very comfortable, does it? In here, guys. What do we got in here? Can we get that open? I can't get it open. I don't care to either. What's up, guys? There's a closet over here. Can we see what's in the closet? I think we have. I need to get my my light and come back here, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, where were we? We're gonna go in this room here, and we got a little toy gun. There we go, guys. We found a gun. That's fun. A little toy gun there. Okay. It's empty, guys. It's empty. Another bedroom here. It's the same old stuff, guys. Same old stuff. I got a shirt there and coat. Nice corduroy coat, eh? Oh. My hands are numb, guys. Numb. It's a nice bright bedroom. Got a record collection there. Another radio. Some more binoculars to look out the window. I don't think we're going to have any Led Zeppelin or Pink Floyd in this house. So we definitely got some hymn music and we have some Christmas music. Hey guys, I was looking around. I had a feeling that there was going to be a gun hidden in this house somewhere. And sure enough, there it is. Got a shotgun back behind the couch here. Not touching it. Not going to play with it, but there you go, guys. We found the gun hidden in the house. I knew it. I knew it, guys. Okay, guys, way too cold for this. Gotta wrap this one up now. Kiwi and I gotta move on. We gotta wrap up this house and move on to the others. That's it, guys. I gotta go. See you next time. Kiwi's links down below. See you guys next time. Peace.